I will show you how to import third-party LUTs on Pineapple. First, you have to copy those downloaded LUTs. Then go to application, go to Premiere Pro, then right click. Now click this. Okay, then go to this folder and go to Lumetri color. Got it. Then go to LUTs. Then you must have to select creative. Now press it. You can click Ctrl V, as you can see no option here. Submit your password. Okay, now those LUTs are moved to that folder. Open Premiere Pro. Now enable Lumetri color from window. Now you're going to see those LUTs. As you can see, those LUTs are here. You can use those LUTs for your videos. If you need these LUTs for free, you can join my Discord server. I'll put the link in my description or comment section on this video. Thank you.